Right, we'll do for another walk with you. See what we're going to find doing here.
See what we find out, really.
Blackbird, songthrush, anything. Hedge sparrows, we haven't found a hedge sparrows.
It's down here where we found that long-tailed tit
It
a
is,
few weeks back, but there had been a robin's kicking around over here and out.
It was there, but it must have been predated. We thought it was on building, but it was obviously predated. There was a big hole into the nest in the grass.
But we'll have a good walk with them and see what we find.
Aye. I'm hearing a lot more of the white-throaty type things and, you know, chip-chop.
Aye, yeah,
But as we did come in, we could hear the white-throats.
Right, but we'll just have a good walk with them. See what we find.
Aye. Right, we'll get back in a minute. Right, we're just walking along the path there and
We noticed there's just a little gap in there.
aye, just in the grass.
Sometimes and you just have, when I went to closely look, a robin blasted it.
Aye.
We're gonna have a look.
It's got a whole bunch of eggs, like, huh?
They're like that.
I'll just move that leaf.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there 6 in there?
There he is.
It's been a while since we've found one of these, isn't it?
Aye.
Good few, yeah, I think.
It's a nice one, that one.
And this was like, say, one of them nice easy ones where you just see something, you have a look and then something that's
Aye.
it. We haven't spent like a load of time having to look for it and mock
No,
it.
because we did find one on building, not far away from here.
Aye, something had been predated or
Aye.
something's happened to it.
But aye, that's a good find, that one.
It's out and out.
Might we'll get away and let the bird get back, aye. Right, we've just come up from where we found the robins. We had a good look doing there, we didn't find much else. But we're in a different little patch of the woodland, but just found another one, a little bird flew out, and it looks like a blackcap.
We didn't get to see the bird properly.
No, it blasted out from there and straight our...
But we're thinking it's a blackcap in the nest.
Got them dark eggs in like a blackcap.
This bit, what it was, like 5, 6 years back. The last thing I was never really found out in here.
No. Got 2 eggs there. Just getting nettled a bit there. Right, so
No way.
we've done that. We're going to have a good walk around a bit more.
Day, really. A robin's in there.
Robins and a blackcap, both legs. It's a good one. And we're on about walking around the meadow and back down and out. So we'll put the camera back on if we find out else. Or we'll be putting the camera on at the end. I'm covered in nettles now.
I know.
My hands are stinging. Tingling. Right, I'll have to cover all that back up before I leave. Right, we're on the path on the way back down to the car. And just up here, that looks like a chaffinches. I can actually see the bowl of the nest upside down there.
No, it's
been
would have been this year's now, but
It's been predated, like. Yeah, something's been in there. Squirrels, crows, magpies, they're all over in here.
It's been a while since we found the chaffinch. If you think about it.
It has been.
And it was in there. We would just come with it.
Aye, it was.
When we filmed when we the chicks and that.
Aye, it was successful, that nest, wasn't it?
It was 5 years ago, you know.
Aye. Because the one we found that before that one just had chicks, you know. And no. Nice, I'll put the camera on and we'll get a bit further down.